Welcome to week 13 in our class. This week is about putting together your draft of Essay 3 and taking the verb quiz to practice using strong verbs in our writing. Alright, so for this week there's a discussion on a definition essay that you want to take part in and think about how you can apply what the writer does to your own essay. Please review the in-text citations for Essay 3 content page, which gives you some tips about how to do your in-text citations for this essay. Typically, so far, we've done the writer's name and the signal phrase and the page number in the in-text citation. In this time, as I have in the example here, most likely you'll put the title of the publication in your signal phrase, and then you'll put the first word of your works cited citation in the in-text citation. This is because all of your entries will probably begin with your word in quotation marks, as a lot of reference texts don't have individual authors. It might, but probably won't. And then what happens is the first word of all your entries might be the same thing over and over again. So you use the title of the publication here in the signal phrase to differentiate between the different sources, and then you cite here. Now sometimes it's just your word, sometimes it's followed by part of speech like this one, like adjective. So just copy it exactly as it is on your works cited page. Alright, so you're going to give me your draft. You can take a look at this breakdown of how you could organize your essay, as well as a sample definition essay from a past student, if that would be helpful to you. And then lastly, we're going to take the verb quiz. If you need help with this, go back to weeks 10 and 11 and take a look at using strong verbs versus weak verbs, the practices, all of that, so that you can make sure that you are going to be very good at getting rid of to be verbs in these sentences for the quiz, as well as removing passive voice and making it active. So that's something you really want to review before you sit down to take this quiz. All right, have a great week, everyone. Let me know if you need anything.